A cup of brewed coffee is a common morning habit enjoyed throughout the world. There's something inviting in sipping a cup of coffee on a nice sunny day in your garden or with your friends at the nearest coffee shop. Now, while it's true that coffee brings along many health benefits, these aren't normally obtained when you drink this beverage on an empty stomach. The most important argument against drinking coffee first thing in the morning is that by doing so, you actually raise the levels of hydrochloric acid inside your GI tract. People who suffer from gastritis will know this for sure. The thing is, when you've had a heavy meal, this acid can trigger some digestive problems due to the fact that it interferes with the breakdown of proteins. This further leads to other digestive problems including bloating, bowel inflammation and irritation, and in the worst case scenario, colon cancer. Furthermore, a number of health experts agree that drinking coffee first thing in the morning also increases cortisol levels, which takes your body quite some time to restore their balance. What this hormone does is keep your biological clock, including your ability to stay awake, under control. Along with cortisol, drinking coffee on an empty stomach increases the acid levels in your stomach, thus leading to a feeling of nausea and bloating. These are sufficient reasons to make you put your morning habit of drinking coffee under consideration. What most health experts would advise is to have breakfast first before you brew your morning coffee. In case you are not the breakfast-loving type, at least make sure to fortify your morning coffee with some milk or butter, as this will lessen the harmful effects.